Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have the brand new 2019 Mazda 3. This is the hatchback model, and this car has really surprised me. This car is just so good. The biggest refresh areas are the front, back, and inside. The side, it looks pretty similar to the old one, which is not a complaint at all. The font on the back, that's a little bit different from the old one. The key is very different. You have a plain front, plain back, and all your buttons are here on the side, which you have lock, unlock, and the panic button. Now it's kind of hard to see, but this is like a bronze kind of finish. It's really pretty on this blue. Once you're inside, this is where I think they spent the most time on this refresh. This interior is miles better than the previous gen. You have the Bose system in here. Very nice integrated vents. All right here. The screen is not as much sticking up anymore. It's very pushed back in there. USB charging. Go ahead, start it up. Very nice chimes. You have all your rear seats here, very much like the new 3 Series. How you can tell which one is unbuckled. Sunglasses holder, your sunroof here. Very nice seats. This is the window sticker for this one. Deep crystal blue mica. That one, it's a very nice color. This has the Skyactiv G 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 186 horsepower, 186 pound-feet of torque. This one has the premium package, which has your heads-up display, the adaptive front lighting system, leather seats, black finish alloy wheels, LED signature illumination, rear LED signature illumination, power sliding glass moonroof, as well as the paddle shifters here behind the wheel. Alright, so enough talk. Actually, yeah, I did want to mention this. The whole center and display and all that, that's all a brand new system. You know, I just had a Miata for 24 hours, and this is all different. You have different scrolling features and all that, entertainment, Sirius satellite radio. So they really refreshed this whole entire car. You have your different drive modes. You have sport. Actually, that's just your sport mode. And then you push up to turn it on, down to put it back. We'll go ahead, put it on. Shifter has a very, very nice feel to it. I really like the steering wheel. It's a very thin design, and it just folds right around your hands. It's really a very nice steering wheel. So for 2019, they added a bunch of different engines, Skyactiv engines, for the Mazda 3. They have the new Skyactiv X, which will be coming out soon. You have the Skyactiv G, which is the gasoline version, and you have the Skyactiv D, which is the diesel version. Sport mode essentially is a transmission setting more than anything else. It keeps your revs high and all that fun stuff. This transmission is really, really good. Mazda definitely knows how to make an automatic transmission. Such a good car. It really is. you know, I really kind of want to try one of these with a manual, because after driving this, essentially this is a Miata hatch. That's what I'm getting from this. It's a really, really good car. It's really premium. It feels just like the Mazda 6 inside, if not a little bit even more upscale from the Mazda 6, which is weird because this has a $28,000 sticker price. A car that feels like this should not cost $28,000. This could easily be a $40,000 to $45,000 car. But Mazda keeps the price way down. And the quality of this car is so good. It's so good. Brake test. Wow. Wow. Really good brakes. Overall, the 2019 Mazda 3 is a huge improvement over the 2018. This is a whole different car. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll leave all the information to Werner Mazda down in the description box below. And have a great day.